Hey, what's up YouTube? This is the Bass God. Hey, I ran into a little complication today regarding my alternator belt and my voltage. Had a big problem, but it's been fixed now. One of my old belts that I had, this was one of the belts I had this belt for about 6 years. And I had a lot of squeaking. And it turns out it was because of this. This shit right here. So when I turned on my truck, my engine stalled out and my volts was reading 14.2 up in the front up here, and it was reading 13.2 in the back, and it kind of had me freaking the fuck out. So other than that, I'm good right now. Since I replaced this belt and put a new one in, my truck sounds a lot better. The belt that I have now is more of a heavy duty belt. It's actually a lot thicker than the one I had before. A lot hell of thicker. Look how thick that is. A lot thicker. So I'm gonna let y'all check this voltage out. Let y'all see everything is still good. My truck starts up better too, believe it or not. Let's see, 14.8. Let's get this meter on here. Check that front battery. And like I said, it's running so smooth up front now. I don't have any problems. Yeah, very smooth now, not a damn squeaky sound. And I realized that my belt was squeaking at times. It came from that belt being torn a little bit, and it just got worse. So far, everything is good. Now, I'm just working on waiting for the rest of my amplifiers to come to replace these two 3500s. If y'all looking for 3500 full-on models, I'm selling these 300 a piece because these are getting replaced with 2-ohm models. Because I'm running all my speakers in parallel. I'm not doing them in series this time, so I'll be running them at 2 ohms. I have 8-ohm speakers. So if you guys are interested in the Powerus 3500 4-ohms, I'm selling them 300 shipped. Alright, and these are getting replaced with Powerus 3500 2-ohms. Other than that, system is up and good, and I got a new belt, and we'll continue with this journey.